Hello friends, today in this video we will learn how to use alert features from Drivable application. The push notification works both in foreground and a background. It means you will get the alert even when your phone is closed. In our app there are 4 types of alerts. We will see each of them one by one. In this video we will see how to set an alert and how to troubleshoot. Now to enable the notification, go to Alerts tab. From this page, you can see the options like geofence and when to alert. Check in all the boxes to set an alert. Geofence means this is alert users by notifies when vehicle cross a defined boundaries. Alert can work on both the cases when you enter or exit the boundaries, or in other words it's also called geofence. Now to create a geofence, click on the Manage button. Now the page will open like this. In case your phone location service is not enabled, please enable it. Once you enable it, from this option you can track your exact location on map. On top of your right side there is a plus button which allows you to place a geofence. You can also search the exact location to create a geofence. Even you can zoom in or zoom out to check the range of geofence that you wish to create. As you can see red pinpoint to see the range. You may place it to your location by dragging and save it. You can also rename as per your preference. You can also create a multiple geofence on a map. And for this also you can rename them too. After creating a geofence, please go back. Once you will refresh the page, you will see the list of your geofence created by you. Now to see on the map, click on the preference and select the options that you prefer. Let's see a geofence demo here. The car is entering the geofence, triggering the alert. Whenever the car enter or exit, you can see the alert notification. Now for setting speed alert, just set the speed value you want to have an alert on. Whenever you set a speed, you will get a notification if that person go above the range of the speed value given by you. We will now see engine on and off notification. This is important to connect the orange wire with the ignition of your vehicle for this notification to work. ACC or an ignition is the wire which gets positive when you start the engine. In case if orange wire gets connected to regular positive side, you won't get alert for engine on and off. Now please test your orange wire connection by switching on and off of your vehicle. From that connection you can see a orange headlight shows on map through vehicles icon. The shake or anti-theft alert is very important. This works like a movement sensor built in a GPS device. Whenever your vehicle is parked, you will get an alert, and even when the vehicle is moved, you will get an alert. Please watch our other videos for other features and functions. Thank you for watching our videos.